Good morning guys, good morning guys, good morning guys. So today guys we are doing UK49 both lunch and tea time. Our banker is 34 and 43. I don't know who's presenting, but this is how it is today. I'm not going to do a lot of things. And guys, as you can see, my code have changed. It's totally changed. Not like the other ones. You're using different strategy now. So let me just break the singles. 37, 40, it means 34, 40, and 44. 37. I've already said 37 there. So it's 30 or 40. Say 30. Okay. So do you see, if it's like this, it looks easier because anyone, even though you don't know how to break the code, you can always relate to this. So let's go and check the home figures before we even come and break the codes. So we go back to our home figures and check what is going to happen here. Okay, so this is what it is. You check the home figures here. It's very important to do this on a daily basis. Start the home figure of 6 is 20 is 33. Home figure of 44, that's a 9. Of 45, that's a 9. Of 44 is an 8. Of 34 is a 7. Of 31 is a 4. 28 is a 10. Of 10 is a 1. So now that 10 and 28, let me see. Home figure of 10 is 28. Home figure of 28, so which means 10 is repeating. 10 is repeating, though even though it played, but it's going to repeat. Okay, so let's move on back to the here. So let me see something. Sorry guys. So this is 100% correct. In other case you can say 43 if it's Helen, because she likes to do that. Say 37, 40, and say 34, 43, 43, 37. This is what I can pay for you now. And then forgot to say 43, 40. Did I say that? Okay, so this is for lunch and tea time. But you can as well give us you can as well give yourself another credit of trying to get more numbers. But I don't know if that pairing up does it give us 43, because I wonder. I know these guys, if the number is over 40, they don't normally share. So let me just say this. If you want to join my group, follow the link in the first comment. Comment of the video. Okay, so you see there, you would see there's a comment that I put first, and that comment is the one that you can use to join the group or get the book. It's proper. Yeah guys, if these numbers don't drop on lunch, put them on tea time, you won't go wrong. You know, yesterday I made a mistake. I thought there was Make a Million. Instead I posted Make a Million. So it's just a day or so. Today's Thursday, then people can just use those numbers on Friday. But I think if I'm feeling better today, I'll try to make a video for Make a Million. Okay. Yeah, so I think sorry. And I guess I'm fine. Okay, so I forgot to put the 33. You see this code shows me that there's a 33. So let me add 33 again. So 43, 33. So these ones, if I put a 33, you can take these numbers and put them on the dream wheel. Because it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. If you pay using the dream wheel, I think it's gonna give you 9 lines of 2 numbers, which you can play with. How much is 9? If you're playing with 5 rand, that's 45. That's 45. but you just have to play them on UK and Betway. You can, it depends with your voucher, guys. If you have got enough voucher, you can play also on Betway, and you can also play on UK. Okay, thank you guys. See you on the next one. Thank you.